What's up everyone, for this week's video, I'm going to show you how to do real life percentage problems. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. To do this, I would like you guys to feel free to use a calculator. So let's move on to our first question. A class of 29 make Olympic art projects. How many are on snowboards and what is the percentage of them all? So here's our question. The question, how many people out of 29 are on snowboards? So I already counted them all and that's 5. So the whole of the number will be 29 because that would be all together. And what we're asking is 5. So we're going to turn that into a fraction. 5 over 29. So now we're going to do the math. 5 over 29 divided by each other equals 0.28 and times 100 equals 28. So that will be your answer, 28%. Now let's move on to the next question. There are 71 books. What is the percentage of the red ones? So I already counted the red books and there are 39. So we're going to turn that into a fraction. 39 over 71 equals 0.54 and times 100 equals 54. So that means 54% of the books are red. So now let's move on to the third question. So how many days of the week have days that start with a T? And I already calculated that because there's 2, Tuesday and Thursday. So 2 over 7 divided by each other equals 0.28 times 100 equals 28%. I hope this was very useful to you guys. See you next time.